my basement. I'm posting again. It's Mother's Day miracle. Speaking of Mother's Day, I have to make a million presents for the million mothers that I have, and on top of that, it's my dad's birthday on Mother's Day. So I am stressed. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my dad's present because that's going to be the hardest to make. He said he wanted something to hold his headphones. So immediately I thought, a literal head. Now, I'm just going to paint this to look like my dad, and then he could just put his headphones on it. You know, I think that's a really good idea. Just so that I don't get my carpet dirty, I'm gonna be putting this on a failed painting. Don't look at it. Stop it. Don't look at it. This is the color of my dad's skin, give or take. I'm just gonna put a nice layer of peach all over. Alright, so the base layer is done, so I'm just going to set this head to the side and I'm going to start working the presents for my mom. So when I asked my mom what she wanted, she said that she wanted a painting of the beach because she wants to put it up in the washroom. Did I just get painted my hair? I probably did. So now I'm going to try to paint a beach. This shouldn't come as a surprise, but I'm not very amazing at painting, so I don't really know what a beach looks like. I'm gonna try my hardest. My camera's about to die, so that's really good for us. So if I don't finish this before the camera shuts off, then I'm gonna have to continue this tomorrow. Okay, so my camera died, but on the bright side, I think I'm done this painting finally.
I don't know how it happened, but all my footage of me painting my dad's head got lost. But I don't think you care very much because why would you want to see me paint a styrofoam head to make it look like my dad?
Okay, I'm back, all is well, I slept, we're okay. This is my painting for my mother, and this is my father. It doesn't look a lot like him, but I mean, it's still pretty funny. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on my present for my abuelita, and that is gonna be a flower pot, and I'm just gonna paint it. So here's my flower pot. I wanted to make it like a watermelon, but like I don't have any proper pink, so I might have to like blend and do all that kind of stuff, which I'm really not down to do. But at this point, I don't really have a choice. This will not be enough paint, but I don't care. Well, good news, guys. There is enough paint to cover up this whole thing. Cool. She's probably gonna think this is a strawberry. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna move on to the gifts for my aunt. Well, they didn't really give me much to work with. I just have 3 paints. But luckily, I also bought a mug, which has 4 paints. So, as you can see, I have a variety of colors. For my aunt, I was picturing like a sunset scene. So like different sunsets, you know? Is that cute, or am I just stupid?
You're stupid.
I know for a fact that these are food safe, but are these? Someone's getting food poisoning. Hang on. These are coasters. You don't need to have food safe paint for coasters because you're not eating off of the coaster, you're just putting your drink down, right? Yeah. So, I'll save these food safe paints for the cup and I'll just use my regular paints for this. I think they're all going to be the same sunset, but just with different shadows. I could try to tell you what happened today. My best friend proposed to my other best friend. I'll insert a clip here. Also, Jade and I are going to Europe on May 31st, so most of my content is going to revolve around that for the next few weeks. So if you don't like vlogs, then I'm very sorry, but there's nothing else that I'm going to post. I've lost my white paint. Alright, now I'm going to be doing some nice designs on them. This is going to be a cactus, this is going to be an airplane, these are going to be palm trees, and that's going to be a bridge. I have no idea what an airplane looks like. I don't even know where to begin. Does that look like an airplane? Now I need to make a bridge. My coasters are finally done, and now I'm going to move on to making the cup for my Nana. So for what I was thinking for this is flowers. They're easy, they're cute, and they're Mother's Day. So I think I'm going to write Nana and then put flowers all around it. So this is the mug. I know it's really simple, but less is more, right? I think I might paint like a butterfly or something on the back. I hate butterflies, but they're kind of Mother's Day-y, no? know that this looks like a second grader made it, but I'm so tired. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna let it bake. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make a mess. Hope you have a great Mother's Day. And if your dad's birthday is on Mother's Day, I hope your dad has a great birthday. So yeah. Bye.